Hey, what's going on, hustlers? Your main man, Horace, also known as La Machine. One of my favorite times of the week is Wednesday, which means there's another jump on it segment. I'm out here sourcing on my break while at work, and the purpose is to show you that you can be doing the same thing. You guys know I love tactical arbitrage, and the reason why is because I can find ungated leads to give to you. Why? Because I like you, and also because I want to show you what you can be doing to make a profit. And let me show you what I mean. When I say profit, we're going to take a look at my phone here, if I can get into it. Okay. Now, you see that little Amazon seller app? If you have an Amazon account, you can have that same thing. And as you can see, today we've had 426 items sold. $426, I should say. We sold 14 units. And if you look for the last running 30 days, you're talking 14,000 some odd dollars. And what we do is we're going to show you how to use the software Tactical Arbitrage. And the point is this: a lot of times when you think about using Tactical Arbitrage, you're thinking about being at home at the computer. You know, you can be sourcing while you're out, and you don't have to know everything. Okay, guys, you don't have to be an expert. You just have to get going. But that's what I'm here for. I'm here to show you, and I'm here to give you. You know my theory about giving a man a fish, about teaching a man to fish, and all of this crap. So let's just get into it. Check this out. We're going to go right into Tactical Arbitrage, guys. This is what it looks like on your phone. Now watch what happens. I'm going to go to view data. Actually, no, that's not what I want to do. I want to go, I can go view data. And then once I open that up, if I can get it to open, let's see, how about we go, we got to shut that down a little bit. Sometimes you got to play with it when you're on your phone, but the point is this: you want to get to that screen right there. Now I'll kind of open that up a little bit bigger. Now you see where it says saved list? Watch what happens. Now from, let's see if I can. Now what we're going to do is we're going to look in your folder, guys. You know, if you're a working class hustler, you know your folder that was created just for you to give you your free leads on a regular basis is the working class hustler folder. Okay. Now watch what happens. Sorry for the shakiness, but it's okay, because the point is just to give you a lead today that you can actually use. And I'm going to show you what we're looking at. So number one, when we're looking at this product, you see where we are right here? The average 90-day rank is 10,524. And I can tell you, in any category, that's going to be good. Now, the source is going to be this store, Big Bad Toy Store. Now, they have a flat shipping price of like $4.99, $5, whatever. Don't worry about it. You can negate a lot of that depending on how many you buy. So don't worry about that. You'll factor that in and you'll still be able to make some money on this lead. But look at your estimated monthly sales. You're going to be okay. Look at your gross profit. That's going to drop by $1 or $2 because you got to figure your tax. You got to figure what the shipping is going to be depending on how many units you buy. You look at that return on investment. You're talking over double, 119%. Okay. Now, that's trying to move on me. What is the product? This is a very cool product, especially if you're into gaming. I'm not, but this is a PlayStation controller button set of 4 coasters. Okay. And there you can kind of see, that would be the link to get you to Amazon. This would be the link to get you to the store where you're sourcing from. This is an image of what those 4 coasters look like on both the Amazon site and also the sourcing store. This is your price before taxes. So you're not putting out a lot of money right away. Now, at the time of this search, the buy box was at 29. So right away, you can see if the buy box is still there, you can kind of see the brand. Now, here's the thing, guys. I already checked this out. You are ungated. If you're looking at this video and you have an account, you are ungated. That's the way we do it around here. Okay, we don't fool around and give you leads, and then that way you can go, I'm not approved for this. No, I'm here to show you can find ungated leads. Now, let me show you what you do here, because here's what you got to think about, guys. There's just a few things. There are just a few things that you need to get right. Okay, are you ungated? Is there a profit? Is there enough inventory available for you to buy? What is it really selling on Amazon? What's the competition doing? Is Amazon on the listing? We talk about all of that in all the videos. We're probably upwards 200 videos now. I don't even know how many we got. But the point is this: there's a few things that you're going to learn. This is just a skill. And once you learn that skill, you'll be able to just zip right through this stuff and know whether or not you have a viable product here that you can work. Now, watch what happens. This is what the software does for you. Okay. Let's just shrink that down just a bit. Shrink that down just a bit. Now, watch what happens. First thing we're going to do is make sure that the product is at the store in question. So all we did was click that link. Look, guys, here you are at bigbadstore.com. It's in stock. It's at the right price. Boom. You're done. Okay. Then you go to Amazon and you can click this link. Is it on Amazon for the price that they're saying? Okay. Now, this is a suppressed buy box. Instead of seeing an add to cart button, you see the button that says see all buying options. So we'll click that and look at. You got to be careful. The first thing you look at is that $8.71 and you go, man, that's only selling for $8. Wait a minute. There's $10.56 shipping. Okay. And if you were using, we're not going to do it right now, but if you were using the feature in Tactical Arbitrage called Tactical Edge, then you could actually see how much stock they have. Now, when you go and punch this in at your leisure, you'll see this guy doesn't have that many. This is the guy you're worried about, $24.99. Listen, even though it's not $29, like the software said, because prices change on Amazon all the time. Okay, but even at that price, you're going to make a good $8. Okay, this is a good buy, guys. So, tell you what we're going to do. I'm going to put the links to both the Amazon listing and I'm going to put the link to the website. That way you have everything and you can actually take advantage and actually get going. That's what this is all about, guys. On this channel, we take action, okay? And it is my pleasure to be able to help you. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Hit the bell notification because we're dropping videos 4 times a week. We go live on Saturday. Oh my goodness. We spend hours sourcing together. We give away goodies, gift cards, books, whatever. Now we got merch coming out. So yeah, last week we gave away some merch, and also if you want to try the software for free, first thing you want to do before you do anything, take the lightning course. Okay. In 10 minutes, you'll be able to run searches and you won't be confused with the software. You don't want to waste time burning up your 10-day free trial, because if you use the link down in the description, you're going to get 10 days instead of 7 days. But we want you off and running so you can be making money. And guess what? Oh my goodness. Make sure you subscribe, guys, because tomorrow, we're coming out with the lightning course part 2. Oh my goodness. How could we get even better than the lightning course 1? How can we get better? Imagine knowing the right websites to search. The software has over 600 websites, and then we throw you, content creators, throw you into this and say, hey, have at it. There's your 600, websites, you figure it out. No, you need to know what websites. You need to know what filters to put in. I got it all out there to the point where you won't even have to click on nothing. All you got to do, you'll be able to use the link in the description. Get your free bulk list that's already been filled out for you. You click one button, you'll see how to do all of that. Just make sure you come back tomorrow, watch that video. Listen, guys, there will be no excuses. Everything is being done for you. So if you're serious about this, if you're serious about changing your life, you just hit the jackpot, because you just met a guy. If this is your first time here, you just met a guy that's just like you. I work a regular job. And I'm not here to give you this BS about, oh, I used to be where you are. No, I'm where you are right now. I work a regular job. You just saw my numbers, what I'm doing on Amazon. Yes, it can be done. Yes, it's a lot of work. And yes, it is worth it. So I'll see you in that lightning course. I'll see you in the next video tomorrow, and then the next video on Friday, and then I'll see you on Saturday. Oh my goodness, we got so much going. Welcome to the Working Class Hustler family. Later.